everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm here to share with you guys my Walmart Ibotta haul. Now, I did take a break because I was just kind of burnt out at Walmart. Like, I don't mind shopping at Walmart, but I was just like really burnt out. I'm just like, I'm sick of couponing because half the time I have problems there. So I started doing self-checkout. Pretty easy. I can take my sweet time, but I had kids with me and I'm just like, I don't like shopping with Benjamin mostly. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go today. And then I did like the Walmart Pay, and like stuff was just not going right. So I spent more time at the register than I did like shopping. It literally felt like that. But otherwise, there is a lot of freebies that you guys definitely want to do with the apps that I'm going to share with you guys today. Ibotta, if you guys don't have Ibotta, definitely do that. Ibotta is my favorite app. If you guys join, you guys get like, I think it's like $10 if you guys join when you submit your first receipt. Fetch rewards, you guys get points for every receipt that you scan, and I've showed you guys several of that stuff, but there's a lot of freebies on Fetch rewards. And then Checkout 51, I definitely recommend that. I also want to let you guys know about the Flu's app. Now, Flu's app is kind of tricky at Walmart. What I say is, if you guys know what you're going to spend at Walmart, what you do is you want to download the Flu's app. You guys can get, with Walmart, you can get 1% cash back. So what I do is I buy like an instant gift card from the Flu's app, and I put it in my Walmart Pay. So then what happens is I scan my phone with Walmart Pay at Walmart, and then it's already paid for, and then I always pay like cash, because if you do 100% Walmart Pay, you will not get a physical receipt. But if you do, part cash and part that. So definitely do that. If you guys join, there's some good deals. There's a lot of cash back, and it's free money. So let's just stop talking and let me share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting, I don't even know, I think I got like 18 rebates or something like that. No, not even. I think I got, I don't know, like 15 rebates. I got a lot of stuff, you guys. So I'm just gonna kind of show with you guys what I got. So the freebies that you guys definitely want to pick up is the Hershey Kisses cereal. Now, I actually got one of these a couple weeks ago. I was gonna do a taste test video with you guys with Benjamin, but I haven't had a chance because my basement's all torn up. But I got another box of these. I haven't tried it, but these are $3.64. You guys would pay $3.64. There's no coupon that I know out there. But you guys can get $1 cash back with Ibotta. You guys can get $1 cash back with Checkout 51. Plus, you guys can get 100% cash back with Fetch rewards. So you guys would get these absolutely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that. That is an awesome deal. So I'm pretty excited to try this cereal. I bet you pretty much it probably tastes like Cocoa Puffs, but you know what? I can't complain because it's free. Now, there's this cereal. This cereal right here is also $3.64. There was, I don't know if it's still available, but there was a $1 off coupon that you guys can print from coupons.com. With Ibotta, there's a deal where you gotta buy 2 boxes of cereal for this deal to work. Funny thing is, I scanned it, it said it matched. When I submit my receipt, it didn't say it matched, and it did when I scanned it prior. So I just sent them a message saying, hey, can you credit me? So what you guys need to do is, you guys want to buy both of these. You can buy any Cheerios that you want. I'm making Cheerio treats with my mom next week, so I had to get these. Plus, Charlotte likes Cheerios. But you guys would buy both of these at $3.64 a piece. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon for the Cheerios oats and honey, okay? So then you guys would end up paying $6.28. But then you guys will get $3.64 off of 2 from Ibotta. And then you guys will get 100% cash back with Fetch rewards. So you get $3.64 for this. So this ends up becoming a $1 moneymaker. If I did my math right. Plus General Mills also counts for Fetch rewards points. So anytime you buy General Mills products, you guys get extra points. Plus, there's also the box top thing where you guys can download the app and you can, give points or give money to your school. So you definitely want to go ahead and do that. There's like a guy standing right next to me. Probably what the heck am I doing? So I ended up getting the Poise Pads. Now these were $4.18. They are the active collection. There was a $2 off coupon that we got from our inserts, I think like a week or so ago, I can't remember. So you guys would pay $2.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 18 cents. Plus you guys will get points for fetch rewards. So I got like 41 points for that. So that's just like, that's like, I don't know. I don't even know. It may be equal to be free. So wanted to share with you guys on that. These are an easy freebie if you guys want to go ahead and do this. My husband absolutely loves these. These are the cup noodle stir fry. He likes the Korean barbecue flavor. These were 78 cents, and these are a freebie this week, you guys, or however it ends. But you guys would pay 78 cents for this, and then you'll get 78 cents back with Ibotta, making this absolutely free. But guess what, you guys? There is a limit of 3, so you can get this freebie 3 times in one transaction. So you guys definitely want to go ahead and do that. But like I said, my husband absolutely loves these ones, so I ended up getting that. Now here's more freebies, you guys. There's a ton of freebies. So I ended up getting this Nivea Men Cream. Now, I was really reading my coupons, and I have that shave coupon. Now, it said for $2 off any aftershave or face cream, or 2 off a 2 for shaving cream. Well, this says it's a face cream. So this was $2. Where did I write this down? This was $2.97. You guys would use that $2 off coupon. You get this for 97 cents. But with Ibotta, you guys can submit a $1.70 rebate. Now, please keep in mind, everybody's rebate's different for Nivea. I don't know why. But this ends up becoming a 73-cent moneymaker. So you definitely want to go ahead and do this. I could have done this a little bit more, but I'm like, you know what? It's okay. I just did that. I also did the Dial hand soap. Now these were $1.84. Now I love this hand soap. This is one of my favorite hand soaps. But you guys want to use a $1 off a 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. You would pay $2.68, but then you guys can get 75 cents off a 2 from Ibotta, making it $1.93 or just 96 cents. That's an okay deal, you know. I think for, like, if you can get a bunch of stuff under $1, I say definitely go for it. So you guys want to do that, go for it. I'm just trying not to bury everything that I got. Now this is something that I got. It's the GoGo squeeZ Blast. Okay, these were at my store, they was marked down to $2.32, but the normal price is $2.94. One flavor was $2.94, the other ones were $2.32, so I ended up getting the 2 that were $2.32. You want to buy 2 of them, you would pay $4.64 for the both of these, but then you guys can get $2.94 off of 2 back from Ibotta, making it just $1.70 or 85 cents a piece, which is an okay deal. There's 4 pouches in here, so I'm like, for 85 cents for 4 pouches, that's a pretty okay deal. I also got this Okio's Greek yogurt. Now this was 88 cents, and you can do this deal I think 3 or 5 times. I cannot remember off the top of my head. But you guys would pay 88 cents for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making this just 38 cents. So 38 cents for yogurt is a pretty good deal. There's Also, another yogurt deal that you guys want to do is the Chobani Drinks. Okay, so these were $1.24 a piece. I have two more. I just have them in the bottom of the bag. But these are $1.24 a piece. You guys want to buy 4 of them. I had a $1 off of 4 coupon that we just got, I think, in this Sunday's paper. I can't remember. It's the Sunday before that. But you guys would pay $3.96 for 4 of these. Then you can submit a $2.75 off of 4 rebate with Ibotta, making them just $1.21 or 30 cents a piece. So I think that's a pretty good deal. So you want to get 4 of those for that deal. I also got the super pretzels. Now these were, I had this written down somewhere. These were $2.64. You guys want to use a $1 off coupon I think we got from 2 weeks ago. You would pay $1.64 for this, but then you guys can submit a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta and a 75-cent rebate with Checkout 51, making this just 14 cents. So these aren't the greatest pretzels. My son likes them. I used to like them. I like the ones with the cheese inside, but you know what? For 14 cents, you cannot go wrong with that. Okay, you guys, I have like this big giant bag that I have that I just throw everything in. So I got the Country Crock butter. This is okay. I think I like I don't know what one I like, but these are $2.18. We did receive some $1 off coupons within the last 2 weeks. You guys would pay $1.18 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making this just 18 cents. So 18 cents for a tub of butter, I think, is a pretty good deal. So yes. Another freebie you guys definitely want to do. This was a freebie not that long ago. But this is the Minute Cilantro Lime Jasmine Rice. My husband really liked this. This is really good because I love cilantro. So this at my store is $1.68. It might be $1.88 at some stores, but my store it was $1.68. You would pay $1.68 for this, but then you guys can submit a $1.88 rebate with Ibotta. So this comes out to be a 20-cent moneymaker. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal. This is something you just heat up in the microwave, and super good. Super, super, super good. Up getting this. I got the Knorr. Make sure you guys scan these items because there's different rebates for these, but I ended up getting the Knorr. These are the ones that you just put in the microwave. Cheddar broccoli rice. This was $1.50, so you guys would pay $1.50 for this, but then you guys can submit a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1. So I'm like, for $1, it's an instant meal. Like if you guys ever need lunches for work, that's a pretty good deal. My husband is on like this like rice kick. I'm like so sick of rice. That's all he cooks. So I ended up getting the Listerine Ready tabs. Now there might be coupons out there. I didn't see any, I didn't have any, or I didn't even look. But this was $2.58. Yeah, $2.58. You guys would pay $2.58 for this. You submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, just making it 58 cents. So pretty good deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. Wow, am I almost halfway done? There's a lot more freebies that they have, but my store doesn't have them in stock. So I looked, but everybody's store is different. I hate it, but everybody's store is different. Now I ended up doing the Bella dog food. Now this is the big pack. This was $7.14. I've noticed in the past they put $2 off coupons on here, which is a good deal. But a while back on coupons.com, if you guys have those coupons, you definitely want to go ahead and use those up. I printed them off. I don't think they're available anymore, but I used a $4 off coupon for this box of dog food. So I ended up paying $3.14, but there is a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta when you guys buy this box. So you guys will get this for $1.64 or just 13 cents for a cup of dog food, and there's 12 in here. That is a good deal. I gave these to my brother for Christmas. I gave him a ton of dog food because he just got a new dog, so I ended up giving him those. You guys can also do the little individual Bella packs. Now, there is a coupon where you guys can get $2 off of 6 of them. So you guys want to buy 6 of them. These are 60 cents a piece. You use that $2.50 off of 6. You guys would pay $1.10 for 6 of them. But then you can submit a 75-cent rebate off of 4 rebate on Ibotta, making all 6 of them 35 cents or just 6 cents a piece, you guys. Awesome. I'm gonna actually put the dog food back in the bag because I don't like mixing it up with my regular food. So, yes, yeah. I forgot to bring my reusable bags with me. So that was my haul, you guys. Like, I was gonna get other things, but this stuff wasn't cheap enough, and I'm like, I really wanted to get the Gatorade bottle. My son really likes drinking out of that, and as long as there's a rebate for it, I'm gonna continue getting that glass. I've only gotten it once, and that was like a month ago. So yeah, okay. My total came to $49.66 for all that stuff. I did use Flu's, you know, I bought like a $25 gift card for, or no, I can't remember. I think, yeah, I bought it like a $25 gift card, so I got like 1% cash back for that, and I used that towards my Ibotta Pay, or Walmart Pay, so I did that. But $49.66, I did get $25.51 back with Ibotta. I sent a ticket in to get that $3.64 rebate back for the oats and honey since I was having problems with that. I did hit level 1, so I got a 50-cent rebate. I also got a bonus rebate for the Nivea. I think it was like a 75-cent rebate for that, but I didn't include that. And then I also got like a 20-cent and a different 20-cent any rebate for a couple things that I bought. I forgot to share with you guys one deal. Sorry. I ended up getting this Nivea lotion. This was... Where did I write this down? This was $5.48. You guys want to use a $2 off coupon. You would pay $3.48 for this. You can submit a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $1.48. So I forgot to share with you guys that deal. I had that the closest to me and I forgot about it. But, so I also received 7,946 points for Fetch rewards, you guys. That's just shy of $8 that I got back with Fetch. So with the Poise, you guys get points for Fetch. Or you get points for Fetch for the rice that I got, the General Mills cereal, and then the Poise that I got. So you guys can get points for that. And then I also will be receiving a $1.75 back with checkout 51 for the 1 box of cereal and the box of pretzels. So my grand total, you guys, came to $10.36. I got 30 items at just 34 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty good deal. I really wanted there to be a midweek, a weekend warrior, but nothing popped up, and I'm just like, I'm not waiting all day for the weekend warrior. So if there's a weekend warrior that pops up, that's a great deal if you guys can do that. But other than that, that was my haul. I think I did pretty good, you guys. A lot of food items, which is one thing I really like to do. So definitely go ahead and get those freebies, you guys. Freebies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week for another Walmart Ibotta haul. Bye-bye.